Here's a spider graph with 4 musical objectives related to singing, lyrics, motions, and tempo. You can choose the learning objectives that best fit your situation. Because the spider web is in 8 sections, we're going to use 2 for each of the 4 objectives, so we get a full 8-point web at the end. The scale goes from 0 to 3, with 3 being the best. 0 is in the center, and each area moves outward. The goal is to have them all out into the most outward 3 positions. So let's take motions first, and let's say they knew almost all of them for a score of 2. And next would be tempo. They got ahead of the accompaniment tape, so that one moves down to 1. And then lyrics were really very good, and the singing was beautiful and expressive, so those got the best scores, and singing even got a 3. Now you're going to go to the draw tool on the left, and I chose a medium marker and the color purple. And once you have that chosen, you go back over and click on the area where you want to start your drawing process. And click and hold your trackpad down and start drawing the loop of your web, and just go from place to place and connect it when you get back to the end. And so there you have a spider web, a really great visual way for students to see how they've done on a concert piece or any kind of an activity in class. Then you can take away that web, sing the song again, and reevaluate how they've done. I can guarantee they're going to want to improve some of those numbers. So let's do the same thing in Google Slides. It's exactly the same except for how you're going to do the drawing. So let's place our scores, and I'll show you how to do the drawing. So you're going to come up here to Scribble. If Scribble isn't available, go to Help and just type in right here Scribble, and it'll come up. So you just click it, and it turns your cursor into the drawing tool, and you're just going to do these curving sweeps as I do this. Now I'm going to connect. There we go. And then you can come up here to color and do something fun like orange and make it like an 8-point to see. There's where they are. Now the goal, of course, is to be all the way out and draw it all the way out to the outer edge. That's the goal. So all you have to do is come back in and select and delete to try again. Then they would try again, and let's say they really stayed with the accompaniment or followed the director really well and everything else stayed the same. We come up to Scribble. I'll touch the first one, hold down my trackpad, and start to draw. I didn't draw that one very well. Anyway, and I'll connect it, and then I'll come up and give it a neat color. And let's look at this web. Wow, that got much bigger that time. So this is a fun way to see in a graph style what's going on with your concert preparation, or not even concert preparation. It could be just something that you're doing in class.